Today we will discuss about circulatory system physiology. Here you can see the heart, one of the most active organs of our body. It is said that the size of a heart is about the size of a person's fist. It starts working when the fetus is around 4 to 5 weeks old and continues till the death. So let's discuss about this amazing organ. Here I have drawn a simple diagram of heart. Cardiovascular system actually has two parts. Cardio means heart and vascular means blood vessels. There are mainly two types of blood vessels, artery and vein. Vein carries deoxygenated blood towards heart and artery carries oxygenated blood away from the heart. It's actually easy to remember because both starts with A. A for artery and A for away. You already know that heart has four chambers, two atria and two ventricles. So here in this diagram, this is right atrium and this is left atrium. And in the lower portion, this is right ventricle and this is left ventricle. Now the deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body, that means blood from upper extremities and head and neck region, carried by this big vein and end up into the right atrium. This large vein is called superior vena cava. Similarly, the deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body carried by another large vein into the same right atrium. This vein is called inferior vena cava. There is also a small opening at the corner of the atrium which is called coronary sinus. It collects deoxygenated blood from the coronary vessels of myocardium. Once the blood fills the right atrium, it goes to the right ventricle through atrioventricular valve, which separates the atrium and ventricle. This valve is also called tricuspid valve. Tricuspid means three cusps. So it has three cusps. All the heart valves are one-way valve. That means blood only can go in one direction. So it prevents the backflow of blood. After that, blood goes in this direction from right ventricle through this bicuspid valve. The name of this bicuspid valve is pulmonary valve. You can imagine the next destination of blood. So the blood goes to the lungs through this pulmonary artery. Don't confuse it as a pulmonary vein just because it is carrying deoxygenated blood. Just follow the simple rule. Artery means away from the heart. As it is carried blood away from the heart, it should be called pulmonary artery. Here I have drawn the lungs. So pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs where the blood get rid of the carbon dioxide and pick up oxygen. Now blood comes back to the heart through these vessels. These are pulmonary veins. They carry oxygenated blood to the left atrium. Now this blood goes to the left ventricle through a valve. This valve is called mitral valve. It permits the blood flow only in forward direction and prevent unwanted backflow. So finally, blood goes to this great vessel called aorta through another important valve. This valve is called aortic valve. Through the aorta, oxygenated blood supplies all over the body. So this is the simplified circulatory pathway. That's all guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.